Fans, I'm coming back with y'all at another video. I'm cold starting my four-wheeler, like I said I would. 4-inch lift kit, Mozilla's snorkel, and I ain't cold. This is the first time I've started it in a week. I said I was gonna do this video, and I'm gonna follow through with it. I gotta wait until the Dirty Max gets home so I can start it up. But I gotta wait until it cools down and then I'll cold start it. So, yeah. Well, here's y'all's cold start video. Right? Okay. Oh, headphone users, get ready! Ah, bitch. Oh, I don't have a battery for it. Gotta get a transmission sensor and float. Come on, bitch. She ain't gonna fire up again. Oh, fuck it, I flooded it. Yeah, I put watered down gas in it about, I want to say 2-3 weeks ago. And I'm still paying for it. And, yeah. Kind of fucking sucks. But, oh well. That's the cold start video on the four-wheeler. I'll come back with y'all for another video on the Dirty Max. But I'll have to wait until the motor cools down in it. And, yeah, y'all hear, the exhaust system on it. But it's not my truck, it's my dad's truck. And I'll give y'all a full shakedown on what's on inside the truck. I'll go all the way around it. I'll clean it out, make it look nice for y'all. And yeah. This video has been probably 3 weeks in the making, because I keep recording it and I don't like the quality of it. So, yeah. This is Hot Hirito, signing off. Peace!